Welcome to the Noeao Center's Guide for Tackling That Test. This 3-part series is built to help you prepare for your test or exam. This video is part 3 of 3 where we will discuss managing time during the exam and Polya's method for approaching problems. The first tip for test taking is to keep a steady pace during the test and be aware of your time. A key thing to remember is that you have multiple problems to go through, so it's important to divide up your time properly. When facing a difficult problem during a time-limited test, it's okay to skip over the ones you're having trouble with. Try to brainstorm a solution for 1 to 2 minutes max. If you cannot come up with a solution, mark it, skip it, and return back to it if you have time at the end of the test. Provide enough information that you feel like would get your message across. When test taking, get straight to the point and avoid fluff. This will save you time and focus more on what you know and want to say regarding the topic. As you finish up your exam, save time to review. In general, utilize the last 5 minutes of your exam to review your answers. If you have not completed the exam, do not start a new problem. Instead, it may be more helpful to review answers you were unsure of and catch any last-minute mistakes. When going through each problem, we recommend Polya's method to solving problems. The steps in Polya's method is to understand the problem, devise a plan, execute the plan, then reflect. The first step to Polya's method is to understand the problem. Understanding a problem goes deeper than just reading the question. Ask yourself, do you understand all the words used in the problem? What are you asked to find or show? Can you restate the problem in your own words? Is there enough information to find a solution? When analyzing a problem, we recommend highlighting and circling key points of information, or writing all the given information on the side for easy access. The second step of Polya's method is to devise a plan. There are many ways to tackle a single problem, so how will you solve it? For topics like math, you may try to guess and check, use a formula, or solve the equation. For other subjects, your plan might include making a list, such as drawing a picture, eliminating possibilities, and more. Look over what information you need and the method you're utilizing. For example, if you're using a formula, what parts of the equation do you have? What are you missing? Is it possible to solve it with the information you have currently? Are there ways to get the information you need? The third step of Polya's method is to execute the plan. Use the method you have chosen, and if it doesn't work, discard and try another. Don't panic if it ends up with the answer you did not expect. Scan over your work for 1 to 2 minutes and check if there are any simple mistakes, such as missing signs or miswritten numbers. If you can't find a mistake and still feel unconfident in your answer, mark it and move on. Plan to come back at the end of the test to review. The last step of Polya's method is to reflect and check your answer. If applicable, solve the problem with another method than what you used originally. For example, if you used your calculator to divide, you could use long division to check it. For written work, read through and double check that everything makes sense and that you haven't made any careless mistakes. Also, reflection includes looking at whether you could use a method from a previous problem for following questions on the exam. As a quick review, be aware of your time, skip questions you're having trouble with, get straight to the point, save time at the end of the test to review, and use Polya's method. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. For more videos or to schedule a tutoring appointment, go to our website to find more information. Have a wonderful day and aloha!